Number 3, if f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, if f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2, g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2, show that f composition g is equal to g composition f equal to x. f of x 2x minus 1 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. g of x is given as x plus 1 by 2. We need to show f composition g value and g composition f value both are equal to x. Now f composition g is nothing but f of g of x. That means replace all x in f by g of x. All the x terms replaced by g of x in f of x. So f of x is 2x minus 1. So 2 into x replaced by g of x, then minus 1. Instead substituting g of x here, x plus 1 by 2 can cancel these two and remaining is x plus 1 minus 1. X plus 1 minus 1, cancel 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, now which is equal to x. So f composition g is equal to x. Now we have proved f composition g equal to x and we need to find g composition f equal to x. Now g composition f equal to, this is g of f of x. This means replace all x in g by f of x. All the x terms in the function g of x are replaced by f of x. That is equal to move to g of x and then straight x open a bracket, then plus 1 divided by 2. In this place of x substitute g f of x. F of x is 2x minus 1. Now simplifying the numerator, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Remaining is 2x by 2. Again cancelling 2, we have x. So we have proved f composition g as x and g composition f as also x. Here g composition f is also x. Now we have shown that f composition g is equal to g composition f equal to x. Now question number 4. If f of x is equal to x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 2, find a if g of f of a equal to 1. G of f of a value is 1. We need to find a where f and g are given as x square minus 1 and x minus 2. G of f of a, first of all we should find g of f of x. Then instead of x we can substitute a, we will get g of f of a. And then equating this result to 1, we will get the answer A, answer for A. Now first we need to find g of f of x. G composition f of x, g of f of x is equal to g composition f equal to g of f of x. This means replace all x in g by f of x. All x in g by f of x, that is equal to, this is g of x. In g of x, replacing x by f of x value, that is equal to replace x and then open a bracket, remaining is minus 2. In this place of x substitute f of x. The f of x is x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 minus 2, and simplifying this, x square minus 1 minus 3. So this is the value of x square minus 1 minus 2, and simplifying x square minus 3. This is known as g of f of x. So g composition f of x is equal to x square minus 3. In this place of substituting x is equal to a, we will get g composition f of a is equal to a square minus 3. Given this value equal to 1, so 1 equal to a square minus 3, which implies a square equal to 4, and a square equal to 4 implies a equal to root of 4, a equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the value of a is plus or minus 2. 4, subdivision number 2, find k if f of k equal to 2k minus 1 and f composition f of k equal to 5. This means f of k value equal to 5. So we need to find f composition f, that is f of k, which is equal to, in the place of k substitute f of x, that is in the place of k in f of k substitute f of k, that means 2 into, instead k open a bracket and minus 1, within this bracket substitute the function f of k is 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1. Now multiply inside 4k minus 2 minus 1. This is equal to 4k minus 3. This is f composition f of k equal to 4k minus 3. In it, given f of k equal to 5, so we can substitute here 5 equal to 4k minus 3, and simplifying it, 5 plus 3 equal to 4k, which implies 4k equal to 8, and which implies k equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. Therefore k equal to 2. When f of k equal to 2k minus 1 and f of k follows 5, the value of k equal to 2. Now question number 5. A, B, C are subset of natural number n, and f is a function defined from a to b, given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, and g is a function defined from set b to c, and g of x is given as g of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to x square. Then find the range of f composition g and g composition f. Find the range of f composition g and g composition f. First of all, we need to find f composition g and g composition f. F composition g is equal to f of g of x. Replace all x in f by g of x. That will be equal to, move to f of x is 2x plus 1. In the place of x, substitute g of x square, and remaining is plus 1. Simplify it, 2x square plus 1. And g of x is equal to g composition f equal to g of f of x, that is equal to, replacing all x in g by f of x. This is x square, x is replaced by f of x is 2x plus 1. By expanding this, we will get 4x square plus 4x plus 1. This is f composition g and g of composition f. We need to find the range of f composition g and g composition f. Therefore, the range of f composition g is equal to range of f composition g is equal to y such that y equal to 2x square plus 1 for every x belongs to n, because given x is all these are subset of n, so x belongs to n. And range of g composition f equal to range of g composition f is equal to y such that y equal to, y follows 2x plus 1 whole square, or you can write 4x square plus 4x plus 1, where comma x belongs to n, for every x belongs to the natural number set n, because all are subsets of f and g are subsets of n. So all the values of f composition g and g composition f are the elements of n. So this is the range of f composition g, and this is known as range of g composition f. Given f of x is equal to x square minus 1, find f composition f F composition F and F composition F. So first we need to find F composition F. F composition F equal to F of X. This means in F of X, replace X by F of X. That means F of X replacing X by F of X. This is F of X. In F of X, we are replacing the X by again F of X. So the X is replaced by X square minus 1. So X square minus 1. Simplifying this, A square X power 4 minus 2ab minus 2x square plus b square plus 1 and minus 1. This is very easy. F of X means replace all x in F by F of X. So this is F of X. The x is replaced by the whole F of X, that is x square minus 1 whole square minus 1. Expanding this, we will get this way. The remaining is F composition F equal to x power 4 minus 2x square. This is the value of F composition F. Now we are moving to find F composition of F. This means F composition of F of X, which is equal to F composition F of X. This means this is F of X. In this answer, we are replacing all x by F of X. Listen carefully here. This is F composition F of X. F of X means replacing all x in F composition F by F of X. Replacing all x in F composition X by F of X. This is F composition X. In this, replace all x by F of X. We will get the answer. This means replace x, instead substitute F of X. So x square minus 1 whole power 4 minus 2 into, instead x, again substitute x square minus 1. X square minus 1 whole square. Look at here. We have x square minus 1 whole square common both the terms. Taking out as common x square minus 1 whole square, we have remaining is x square minus 1 whole square minus 2. Now simplifying it, we will get x square minus 1 whole square into, expanding this one, x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 minus 2, and simplify these two terms, we will get x square minus 1 whole square into x power 4 minus 2x square minus 1. This is the answer for F composition of F. Even F equal to set of minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 9 be a linear function from z into z, that is integers to integer. Find F of X. So domain is integer, then codomain is also an integer. We need to find the function F of X here. So this is linear function is given. A linear function is in the form of F of X is equal to ax plus b, or y equal to ax plus b is known as linear function. Here the every first value represents domain value. They are taken from the domain, that is x. The second values are represented the value y. So in the pair minus 1, 3, x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. Substituting in it the above equation 1, the linear equation 1, we will get 3 equal to x is minus 1 is minus a plus b. This is equation number 2. And taking the second result 0, minus 1, the pair 0, minus 1, in it x represents 0 and y represents minus 1. Substituting in 1, again 1 implies, substituting in 1 implies y is minus 1 equal to a into 0 minus 1. Y is a into 0 minus plus b. Minus 1 equal to, substituting here, y is minus 1 and a into x is 0 plus b. Now a into 0 remains 0. This means b equal to minus 1, which implies b equal to minus 1. Now we have found the value of b is minus 1. Substituting in 2, when b equal to minus 1, 2 implies 3 equal to minus a minus 1, and 3 plus 1 equal to minus a. a equal to minus 4. A equal to minus a equal to 4, which implies a equal to minus 4. So substitute a and b in 1. The required function f of x is equal to 1 implies f of x is equal to ax. A is minus 4 minus 4x plus b is minus 1. Look at here, substitute x is equal to minus 1 here, we will get the value of y3 here, substituting minus 1, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have got 3. And substitute x is equal to 0 here, 0 means it is minus 1. So y is minus 1. So this is a linear function because the power of x is 1, it is known as linear. So the required function f of x is minus 4x minus 1. In an electronic circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit. C of t is known as linear circuit. C of t is linear circuit. C of t is a linear circuit. If it satisfies the superposition principle that is C of at1 plus C of at1 plus bt2 equal to a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2 a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2, where a comma b are constants, Therefore, to show that the circuit C of t is linear, to show that C of t is equal to, circuit C of t equal to 3t is linear. We need to show the circuit C of t is a linear circuit. The C of t equal to 3t is linear. We need to show the C of t equal to 3t function. C of t is 3t is a linear function. If it is linear, we need to show C of at1 plus bt2 equal to a into C of t1 plus b into C of t2. This means we need to find C of t1, C of t2. Then sum of C of t1, C of t2 equal to C of at1 plus bt2. Now given C of t equal to 3t, here C of at1 equal to 3 into at1. Instead t I have substituted at1. So instead t here also we have at1. C of at1 equal to 3 into at1. And C of at2 equal to 3 into at2. Now C of at1 plus C of at2 equal to, adding these two results, 3at1 plus 3at2. Now 3 is taken out common, 3 into at1 plus at2. This means which is equal to C of at1 means 3at1, C of at2 3 into at2. Now 3 into at1 plus t2 means C of at1 plus at2. Therefore we have proved C of at1 plus C of at2 equal to C of at1 plus at2. Thus we have proved that the C of t is linear by superposition principle, because C of at1 plus C of at2 has proved as we have proved as C of at1 plus at2. Hence the result.